If you're looking to buy a home in the Bay Area but struggling with high interest rates, then this video is for you. Stick around to the end to discover how my clients are unlocking a lifetime of savings and reducing their mortgage payments by an average of $800 on these properties. Today we're going to tour Denova Homes Residence 5 in Antioch, California. Pricing starts at $690,000 for this 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,800 square foot home. There's a large kitchen island and a huge open concept family room dining room area. Here we are in the primary bedroom, which is very large for an 1,800 square foot home and separated from the secondary bedrooms. In the primary bath, you'll find dual vanities, a ton of storage, a large shower, and also a huge walk-in closet. At the time of this recording, the builder is offering a $30,000 incentive for the buyer to use towards closing costs, rate buy down, reduction in price, or builder upgrades. If you're struggling with the higher interest rates, then it would make the most sense to apply this incentive towards a rate buy down. Here's a recent buyer's example. We had a buyer purchase a $690,000 property using a 3.5% down FHA loan. This client secured a 7.25 interest rate based on their credit qualifications. They then applied the $30,000 builder incentive to a rate buy down. This reduced their interest rate to 5.5% and their monthly payment reduced by $800 per month. This works out to be a $9,600 savings per year on their mortgage payment, and they would save $288,000 over the life of the loan. So if you're struggling with the higher interest rates, you could see how applying this strategy could help you reach your goals. So if you're looking to purchase a home in the Bay Area, click the link in the bio now to learn more about this exclusive incentive or to explore additional cost-saving strategies with our home buyers negotiation workshop. See you there.